I'm Lisa Hobbs. Hi everyone, and this is my course, Hygiene and Cleaning Practices During COVID Recovery. I've spent years working in the hospitality industry as an executive and I love it. Currently, I am a consultant to the industry and I volunteer my time as a director on the board of Women in Hospitality, as well as champion their mentor program. Throughout my career, I've prided myself on leading change in a challenging industry. This is where I can step in for you now during the COVID recovery, because to say the least, it's been challenging. Throughout this course, I do believe that I can give you comfort that these changes do not need to negatively impact your role. Within this course, I'll provide you with a practical overview of the new, higher levels of cleaning and hygiene required through the lens of a frontline hospitality worker, and I'll look at your obligations during this time by breaking it into the elements of the personal actions you can take, personal hygiene, compliant cleaning practices, and lastly, your safety. COVID-19 has left us all vulnerable, so to keep safe we have to socially engineer our current practices and standards to act like a vaccine. I've worked in other industries and hospitality is my favourite because I love people and hospitality is a people business. Whether it's staff, managers, owners or the guest, we're all people and it's our attitude and outlook that can make the difference. Join me then for the Hygiene and Cleaning Practices During COVID Recovery course to meet the new health and safety expectations.